What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock for the morning update. I'll also take you over other semiconductors high level, AMD, SMCI, ARM, and other Broadcom Micron technology as well. But we'll mostly focus on Nvidia in this video, and let's identify the price action. And as how we discussed things yesterday, that we will receive a continuation to the downside today. We are getting that. Why so? Because Nvidia broke the structure. Now, we had AMD and SMCI earnings yesterday, and I talked about that, guys. These things gonna fall off the cliff as for the direction it's looking like, and it looks like they're falling off the cliff. But and Nvidia is caught in that ripple effect as well, for sure. So, but anyways, if you can check out this video, guys, Nvidia stock ripple effect, kaboom, yeah, from yesterday, AMD stock, SMCI stock, this will give you all what you need to also understand what is going on in the semiconductor. If you have seen these videos already, that's awesome. All right, with that, let's start it off, guys. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purpose. So I'm just sharing my opinion here, nothing more than that. All right, so, Nvidia, technically, we are on daily interval. If you are looking as a swing trader or whatnot, we still have higher highs, higher lows here. However, on intraday, as I'll show you on hourly interval in just a second, yesterday we broke the uptrend on intraday level. Now, let me show you that first. So if I go to the hourly interval, and this is what I talked about in my video yesterday, that we have made a double top and we failed to make a higher high at this from this demand zone. We needed to break $883, but we failed to close above that. And forming this double top, we have broken this neckline as well, and we would continue lower. Any rebound, this is what I said in my yesterday video, any rebound back to this level of 859 is a candidate to be shorted. We got where? 855 almost today, and then we sold off until where? 830. So that was the intraday play. That play is done. Okay, that was the intraday play. Now on the swing side, as I said, we are not fully bullish, but this is the zone. $824 to 800 and almost now $41 is what I would say is the zone of, again, the last battle or indecisiveness. Or if bulls wants to change again Nvidia to the upside, they have to do it between 825 and 841. Otherwise, Nvidia will full on lose all the pivots and become bearish. If I take it to the daily interval, it's just right trying to save itself over there, right over there. Even though this pullback is quite deep, then if I just want to say that, hey, this is still just a pullback, it has turned bearish on intraday already, and that's why it's an indecisive zone now, 824 to 800 and almost 49 or something. And this is where, if bulls wants to turn around, they need to get Nvidia at least above 20 days moving average today. If they can get that, we will still say, hey, bulls still have a chance, but the confirmed upside, again, continuation would be above $859. If bulls can't do it today, Nvidia will still look that intraday is going to change the swing structure as well, bearish. So you get my point, right? Yes, on swing, things are still looking standing up, but when we go to the another interval, the lower interval, because things from intraday goes into swing, right? And on intraday, even though on swing we haven't fully become bearish, but we are going in that direction because intraday has broken those structures of the upside to the downside, and we are been heading lower. So yeah, Nvidia, as even if Nvidia can't close above 850 to 859 today, it is still bearish on intradays, and it's going to turn on to swing soon as well, then bearish. So let's see how things goes with Nvidia. But once we crack open again 824 and below, then it's again a floodgates are open, guys. Okay, so that's Nvidia for the morning update. And let's now take a look at real quick, AMD and SMCI. I want to show you that as well. So I talked about it, guys. Usually we do receive a follow through after the after a gap down, and since the market direction is already downtrending, this thing may not hold any potential to the upside. and we are heading lower on AMD. Post earnings didn't quite come out great, right? So yeah, I still think it's gonna come down to 200 days moving average, and then we'll see what the level is there. I'll talk more about it in other videos. This is ARM, and ARM I have been saying, guys, yep, this is just a rebound. This is just a rebound, and we'll continue lower, and we are continuing lower. We are still in the downtrend, right? Lower highs, lower lows. SMCI, let's take a look at that. So I talked about SMCI as well. We don't need this red line. This is from the post-market prices yesterday from the earnings. Yeah, so I talked about, guys, yeah, SMCI technicals are still favoring to the downside because technicals have stayed in that direction and realm in the structure after earnings as well. And yeah, we will continue lower. And as I said that I would like to open up a short position as well. So I didn't on SMCI now. This was my only short play. I didn't open any short play today on SMCI, but I did buy. What did you buy, junior trader? I did buy SOXS. So what it is the the semiconductor bearish ETF, right? So I got into it, and I was just waiting for the time wherever I get the pullback. I didn't quite get the full pullback on this where I wanted to enter today, but I still got a decent one. This is where around this curl that it started to happen to the upside again, right after finding a support at the one of the important levels as well here. My day trading levels plus, and I have entered this long, well, when I say long position on this, this means that it's right over just before entry somewhere here, and I'll show you where my stop loss I'm planning. And so this is an inverse play for these semiconductors, right? Instead of shorting individual right now, SMCI, AMD, since everything is falling, so I was like, I don't want to lock in the individual capital, even though I like to do individual stocks, but since all semiconductors are having a negative spiral down, I just thought of getting into SOXS. My stop loss is below 20 days moving average on this, and I'm at least targeting, first level is $43.68, and then I'll target upside as well, but I'll talk about it once the price makes those moves. But yeah, I'm planning to hold this now. So that's an update on SOXS, guys. I'll add it to my list as well here. So okay, sell-off continues on Nvidia right now. What else? Micron. Yeah, Micron's still selling off, and yeah, as I said, it's just in the downtrend, and that's that. Broadcom, let's take a look at that. So Broadcom, I was fully out in this position of mine. I didn't reopen, but yeah, Broadcom will also continue lower, guys, in my opinion. I don't think they have any chance anymore to stay up. Broadcom has formed this trend line, all these tops. All right, just before wrapping up, let's take a look at Nvidia again. And yeah, this thing is coming down. Let me take you to the hourly interval. Yeah, this thing is coming down. As I said, yeah, guys, the structure from yesterday, as I talked about in my video, it has become bearish. Let's take a look at real quick QQQ and SPY as well. And guess who is up? NEO is up today. I'll cover that as well today. Yeah, Chinese stocks goes like, well, yeah, that makes sense as well. But anyways, they go on the other direction from the US stocks. But QQQ, as I have been saying, that's just was a rebound and will continue lower. We are continuing lower. If bulls wants to hold, they have to hold at 421 to keep the structure a little bit still. It's the same setting as how Nvidia is, right? Like intraday is turning bearish, structures have been broken. If bull still wants to hold the swing in a pullback, they want to hold this level at 421. Otherwise, no. More downside is looking like is the possible play. Same, well, SPY is already quite weak, guys. This is what I was saying, right? 507, once we lose this again, it's going to come lower. Yep, that was just a rebound, as I have been saying. If bulls wants to hold it, they need to hold 497. But yeah. Guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. A lot more videos will be coming out. So please hit the like, subscribe. You don't want to miss any of this. All right, bye. And well, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. All right, bye.